Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and I am back with another challenge. This is the third challenge that I am on, and this time I truly believe that third time is the charm. So let's get right into it. All right, so first day, it wasn't all that bad. I did net around a negative 1500, which really isn't really, it's not that bad. That can be recouped in like 1, 2, 3 trades. Not a big deal. But this time around, I'm following a really good and sound strategy, which is sticking to my setups. And that's the difference between the first two challenges and this one, is that I'm going to be sticking with my setups and not to be so worried about or getting distracted with different other kinds of patterns. So I'm going to commit myself to that. But anyways, let's just go over real quickly. So you see right here, number of trading days. I've only had one trade day so far. So passing in two of these things so far, about negative 1500. Like I said, that's really not a big deal. It's not bad. The max you can lose in one challenge total is 10 grand, and the max you can lose in one day is 5 grand. And then and the next day comes around, that it's reset. So I'm feeling pretty good about this after the first day. So I'm not going to go over every single trade because I took 5 of them, okay, and it was a net loss of 1500. But let's just go over my very last trade, because the last trade is a perfect example of how I will be dealing with this third FTMO challenge. So here we go. So the last trade I did was on gold. I had an entry. This is the 1 minute chart. I spotted a type 2 W setup on the 15-minute chart, and I confirmed it with a 1 minute entry. So I started here. Okay, that's my entry. And here is where I ended up. So I did go back to this trade after it completed, and I did see that it kept on going up after I got out, and which is fine. It was getting late and I had to get ready for work the next day. I had to be up in 3 hours, 2-3 hours. So I'll take this red dotted line was me moving my stop loss into profits. So price was coming up here, and then it dropped into my stop loss, and that stop loss was about maybe $400 or $500. I think it's about $560 around there. And I'll take it. I wanted to take money off the table. Like I said just a second ago, price did continue to go up, and I would have had a much bigger profit. But hey, sometimes you just got to take the money and run. You got to take the money and leave, especially since I was getting ready for my work day. So yeah, right here I said I adjusted my stop loss and profits. And let's see what I said here about my thought process. So I said this was a good type 2 W setup on gold. Could have stayed in longer, but I wanted to make sure I took money off the table. And that's the thing. This time around, I've given myself some really good ground rules, and I'm going to adhere to those, because most of the mistakes that I've made in the past have been around forcing something that's not there. And here, let's take a look. Let's take a quick example. So by that I mean, like these trades on the US 500, I was forcing things that weren't there. I was seeing patterns, but they weren't fully developed, because eventually, even though I bought it and I lost the trades, eventually I had the right direction. The direction was correct, but I didn't let the pattern or the setup fully materialize before I executed the trade. So it's just me making sure that I lay off the anxiety and just be relaxed, calm, and cool, and just let the market show me their cards. I just gotta let the pattern or the setup just realize itself, and then just take the setup. It's really that simple, and that's what happened on my last trade on gold. So that's pretty much it for the first day. I'm very excited, y'all. Very excited about this third time around. I've actually written down my rules, and this is going to be fun. I'm happy that I'm here for the third time, and I'm looking forward to some good results, and I'm excited. But anyways, Again, my name is Jerome. Thank you so much for following me for this long and sticking with me. Make sure to subscribe and like these videos, share them. And I'm just thankful to be here, thankful that you're here. This is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group. Always remember to stay blessed, take the money, and run. Thank you.